Hi student, this is Aragya ma'am from Maxinol அனைத்திலும் கணிதம். Chapter 3 Ratio and Proportion Part 3. In this video, we are going to learn about exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1, fill in the blank. Ratio of rupees 3 to rupees 5. So our first condition is to find out the ratio between two terms is both sides should be in same unit. Hope you understand. ரெண்டு டேர்மே ஒரே யூனிட்டா தான் இருக்கணும். அதாவது ருபீஸ் வித் பைசா இருக்கலாம் அல்லது ருபீஸ் வித் ருபீஸாவே இருக்கலாம். ஆர் மீட்டர் வித் சென்டிமீட்டர் அந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்துருக்கலாம். ஆர் மீட்டர் வித் கிலோமீட்டர் அப்படியும் கொடுத்துருக்கலாம். பட் ருபீஸோட கிலோமீட்டரோ இல்ல கிலோமீட்டர் நம்பரோடையோ we couldn't find out. Clear? Okay, come back to our portion. Ratio of rupees 3 to rupees 5. Here both comes under same unit. That is rupees, isn't it? Okay, so no problem. So 3 and 5. We have to compare these two, isn't it? So 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So no need to divide by any common number. So our answer is 3 is to 5. Second question. Ratio of 3 meter to 200 centimeter. So both comes under length only, but we have one smaller unit and a larger unit, isn't it? Okay. Centimeter meter convert பண்ண முடியாது. Instead of meter can be converted into centimeter. Okay va? Okay. So we know that, isn't it? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter means 3 meter equal to 300 centimeter. So it's easy to find out now, isn't it? So let us compare 300 is to 200. Clear? Fine. So both sides we have zeros, isn't it? So we can cancel it easily. Either divided by 100 and 100 divide பண்ணலாம், or we can cancel directly like this. Left side 1 0, right side 1, left side 1 more and right side also 1 more. So 3 is to 2 is the answer. Clear? Fine. Third one, ratio of 5 kilometer 400 meter to 6 kilometer. இங்கேயும் lengthல தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So we have to convert kilometer into meter, right? Okay, let us do that. Yes, 5 kilometer equal to 5000 meter because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Recap பண்ண முடியுதா? Okay. So இப்போ 400 meter also is there ma. So we have to add that. So 5400 meter is there. So come to the next term. 6 kilometer equal to 6000 meter. Let us compare here. Okay, here also we have two zeros left side and right side, isn't it? So we can cancel that. One here and one here, and left side one, right side also one more. Okay, now focus closely. 54 in left side and 60 in right side, but both numbers comes under same number, isn't it? Same table. So ரெண்டு பக்கமே இருக்கக்கூடிய 54 and 60 வந்து ஒரே டேபிள்ல வரும். In which table? Yes, sixth table, right? Because 6 how many times 54 ma? Very good. 6 nines are 54 ratio. Here also we have 6 tens are 60. Clear it? Fine. So our answer will be 9 is to 10. Come to the last. Ratio of 75 pice to rupees 2. So inge nama rupees a paisa convert பண்ணிக்கலாம் because pice is a smaller unit, isn't it? Okay. So we know that 1 rupee equal to 100 pice. So 2 rupee equal to 200 pice. Okay. So now we are going to compare 75 and 200, isn't it? But here we don't have any zero, but both ends in 5, 5 and 0. Clear? அப்படின்னா ரெண்டுமே 5 and 0 comes under which table ma? Very good, 5, isn't it? You got it. So இங்க 5 table ஆல cancel பண்ணலாம். ஓகேவா? 5 how many times 75? Very good, 15. 15 times 75. Then this right side 5 4s are 20, so 40. Clear? Okay. Still it's end with 5 and 0. அதனால திருப்பி நம்ம அதே மாதிரி தான் பண்ணணும். அதாவது once again we need to divide it by 5. Okay. Now it's easy. 5 3s are 15 and 5 8s are 40. So we got the answer in prime numbers. That means 3:8 is the correct answer. Second one, say whether the following statements are true or false. So இந்த கொடுத்திருக்க statement true or false ஆன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. First question, the ratio of 130 centimeter to 1 meter is 13:10. பார்க்கலாமா? Okay. Left side 130 centimeter, isn't it? Yes. So right side 1 meter. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Correct? Okay. இப்போ அதை compare பண்ணும் பொழுது, so 130 left side and 100 right side. See here, both side we have 110, isn't it? Okay. Now we can tally with that, cancel that. So what will be our answer? 13:10. Clear? So the answer is right, true. Second one of the terms in a ratio cannot be 1. என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணக்கூடிய இந்த ரேஷியோல ரெண்டு டேர்ம்ல 1 வந்து வரவே வராது. cannot be 1ன்றது வராதுன்னு சொல்றாங்க. No, sure it's not possible. It ends with 1. அதாவது ஒரு டேர்ம்ல 1ம் வரலாம். ஓகேவா? Once it left side or in right side. அதாவது first டேர்மாவும் 1 வரலாம். second டேர்மாவும் நமக்கு 1 கிடைக்கலாம். So the answer is wrong. இங்க cannotன்னு கொடுத்திருக்கிறது தான் problem. ஓகேவா? So it's a false statement. Hope you understand. Exercise 3.1, third sum. Find the simplified form of the following ratios. Here we have 5 sums. Already it's in ratio format, isn't it? But what are we gonna do? Yes, we are going to change into simplified form. Simplified form. How can we do? If we divided with a common number, we get that simplification. Right? Okay. Let us explain with our example. Let us take the first sum. Here is the solution. So 15:20. இது வந்து நம்ம fraction format எழுதிப்போம். So now it's easy, isn't it? So இப்போ 15 and 20 both comes under 5 times table, right? Okay. So 15 divided by 5 and 20 divided by 5. Like this you have to write. Then that's equal to 5 how many times? Right. 3 times. Very good. Then 5 how many times? 4 times. So 3 by 4 is the right answer. Then we have to change into ratio format. That's very important. So that's equal to 3:4. This is our answer. And watch closely. Nalla parunga. 3 won't comes under 4 times table and 4 also couldn't come in 3 times table. Clear? So இதுக்கு மேல இதை நம்ம divide பண்ணவே முடியாது. So 3:4 is the correct answer. Clear? Okay. Then come to the second sum. So 32:24, isn't it? So இதையும் நம்ம fraction format எழுதிக்குவோம். இப்போ பாருங்க 32 and 24 both comes under which table? Just guess it. Both number ends in even number also. So இதை நீங்க 2 ஆல divide பண்ணி 2 ஆ divide பண்ணி கூட கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம், or both number comes under 8th table, right? So let us divide it by 8. Clear? Okay. 8 what times? 4 times, and 8 3 times only 24. Hope you understand. Okay, once again 4:3. Here also 4 won't come in 3 times table and 3 won't come in 4 times table. So this is our answer. Come to the third sum. 7:15. If you write in fraction format, sure here also 7 won't come in 15 times table or 15 won't come in 7 times table. So this is the ratio. Clear? 7:15 is the correct answer here. The same answer. Come to the fourth sum. 12:27. Yes. Come to the fraction format. Then both 12 comes under which table? 27. 3 is the common number for these two terms, right? So 12 divided by 3 and 27 divided by 3. Okay. Let us see the answer. numerator will be 4 and denominator will be 9, right? Right. So 9 3s are 27 and above 4 3s are 12. So this is our answer. Fine. Come to the fifth sum. 75 is to 100. So listen carefully. So we can write in a fraction format. There is no 0 in common, but both comes under 5 times table, isn't it? So let us do the division by 5 first, and 5 15 times, yes, and 20 times 100. So again both comes under 5 times table only, isn't it? So 15 and 20. Look at the first sum, the same model, isn't it? Yes. So as it is 15 divided by 5, and answer will be the 3 by 4, and 3 is to 4 is the correct answer. Is it easy? Okay. Like this, whatever number given, you have to try by yourself. No need to copy from here. Just you have to try by yourself. நீங்களே எழுதி பார்த்துட்டு ஆன்சரை இங்க செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? Fourth sum. Agilan walks 10 km in an hour, while Selvi walks 6 km in an hour. Find the simplest ratio of the distance covered by Agilan to that of Selvi. So நல்லா கவனிங்க. Both comes under same unit, kilometer. Okay. Then we have to convert into simplest ratio. Simplest மாத்தணும், and we have to write the distance covered by Agilan to that of Selvi. Okay va? Fine. So let us write the solution first. Yes. Ratio of distance covered by Agilan to that of Selvi. அதான் இப்ப எழுத போறோம். So 10 km is to 6 km. Agilan 10 km na Selvi 6 km walk பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? So let us select the ratio 10 is to 6. While taking ratio, there we shouldn't write with unit ma. Ratio எப்ப எழுதினாலும் அதுல எந்த கிலோமீட்டரோ ஆர் ருபீஸோ எந்த யூனிட்டுமே மென்ஷன் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே. So let us start with 10 is to 6. Then once again change into fraction format. So watch closely. Both comes under which times table? Just think about this. Good. So both are in both n's in even number. So we can divide it by 2. That means 5 times above and 3 times below. Right? Okay. So 5 is to 3 is the correct answer. Fifth sum. The cost of parking a bicycle is rupees 5 and the cost of parking a scooter is rupees 15. Find the simplest ratio of the parking cost of a bicycle to that of scooter. So bicycle park பண்றதுக்கு rupees 5 ஸ்கூட்டருக்கு 15 rupees சார்ஜ் ஆகுது. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இந்த இதை நம்ம simplest ratio கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண போறோம். Clear? Okay. Let us write the solution. Right like this. Ratio of cost of parking a bicycle to that of scooter. Clear? அவங்க எந்த டேர்ம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூஸ் பண்றாங்களோ, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து பைசைக்கிள் தான் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ அதை பைசைக்கிள் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மென்ஷன் பண்ணோம். தென் ஸ்கூட்டர். ஸோ பைசைக்கிளோட சார்ஜ் எவ்வளோமா? rupees 5 and ஸ்கூட்டருக்கு 15. So let us write that and come back to the ratio 5 is to 15. Now change into fraction 5 by 15. Sure, both comes under 5 times table. So if we divide it by 5, we get the answer of 1 by 3. Clear? Okay. Sixth sum. Out of 50 students in a class, 30 are boys. Find the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls, then number of girls to the total number of students, and number of boys to the total number of students. So here we are going to find out part to part ratio and also part to whole ratio. Clear? நம்ம ஏற்கனவே ரேஷியோ வீடியோல படிச்ச மாதிரி பார்ட் டு பார்ட்டும் பார்க்க போறோம். அதே மாதிரி பார்ட் டு ஹோல் ரேஷியோவும் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். Okay? Come. Here is the solution. So let us write the term first. Total number of students equal to 50. Yes. Then total number of boys வந்து 30. Isn't it? இது ரெண்டுமே நமக்கு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. ஸோ இப்போ கேர்ள்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் நமக்கு தெரியாது இல்லையா? ஸோ 50 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கிறதுல 30 பாய்ஸ்னா மீதி இருக்கிறவங்க தான் கேர்ள்ஸ். கிளியர்? ஸோ வி ஹாவ் டு டூ திஸ் கேல்குலேஷன். டோட்டல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் கேர்ள்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. ஸோ டோட்டல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் கேர்ள்ஸ் 20. Clear? Fine. Now we are going to find the ratio ma. First question, number of boys to the number of girls. Yes, ratio of number of boys to number of girls. அப்போ boys தான் first கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, so 30 must come first and 20 must come second, right? Like this. So இதை நம்ம fraction format எழுதிக்கலாம். Here we can cancel 0 up and down, isn't it? So cancel பண்ணாலே we get the answer of 3 by 2. Then the ratio is 3:2. Clear? It's easy, isn't it? Okay. And again, next also you can do by yourself. Just to have a glance. Ratio of number of girls to the total number of students. இப்போ நம்ம மொத்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணி எழுத போறோம். First they are asking girls. So girls ஓட counting என்ன? 20. So 20 by total number of students 50. So 20 by 50 is equal to, இங்கே நம்ம 0 0 cancel பண்ண போறோம். Then 2 by 5 is the answer and ratio is 2:5. Right? Okay. So last, number of boys. Ratio of number of boys to the total number of students. Yes, here also 30 because boys number of boys is 30. So 30 by 50. If we cancel 0 up and down, we have 3 by 5, isn't it? So answer will be what? Yes, 3:5. It's easy, isn't it? Okay. Objective type questions ma. First sum, that is 7th one. The ratio of rupees 1 to 20 pice. Here both comes under money only. So, okay. Now we have to convert rupee 1 to pice, isn't it? We know that rupee 1 equal to 100 pice, right? Okay. Let us take that. Then right side 20 pice is there. So let us compare here. So 100 pice is to 20 pice, isn't it? So let us cancel left side and both right side. 110. Yes, like this. So remaining 10 is to 2, but both comes under 2 times table. So here 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. Clear? Okay. So 5:1 is the correct answer. Here what is the correct option? First, second, third and fourth. Fourth is the correct answer. Clear? Like this, each and every sum we have to find out ma. Eighth sum, the ratio of 1 liter to 50 ml. Here also both comes under same unit, liter and milliliter, but we have to convert, right? Okay. So 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Don't forget like this unit ma. Sure, it will be helpful in higher studies. So be careful in this. Okay. Now 1000 ml is to 50 ml. Here we have to cancel left side and both side with one common 0, isn't it? Okay. Let us compare this first. Cancel 1 0 left and right. Okay. Now left side 100 and right side 5 is there. Both divided by 5. So here 25 is 100. Here 1 times. Right? Good. So 20:1 is the correct answer. Here our option is 20:1. C option is the correct answer. But in some other book, I mean in old book, last year edition book, the question was given like this: the ratio of 1 meter to 50 centimeter. நல்லா கவனிங்க, இங்க 1 liter 50 ml கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. But in old editionல 1 meter to 50 centimeter கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? இது நமக்கு தெரியும் 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter இல்லையா? So 100 இங்க 50. அப்படி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 50யோட ஒரு பங்கு அதிகம் இல்லையா? So 2:1 is the correct answer here. இதை நீங்க ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி பார்த்தாலே தெரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும். ஓகேவா? So be aware of the question. That's very important. Okay, come to the 9th. The length and breadth of a window are in 1 meter and 70 centimeter respectively. ஓகேவா? So இப்போ லென்த்ங்கிறது 1 மீட்டரும் breadthங்கிறது 70 சென்டிமீட்டரும் இருக்கு. The ratio of length to the breadth கேட்டிருக்காங்க. லென்த்தையும் breadthையும் நம்ம ரேஷியோவை கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி எழுத போறோம். We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and now we have to compare 100 centimeter is to 70 centimeter. Clear? Okay. After that we can cancel both sides. 1 time. Okay. Then 10:7 is the correct answer. We know that 10 not comes under 7th table and 7 won't comes under 10th table. So this is the answer. So fourth option 10:7 is the correct answer. Okay, 10th one. The ratio of the number of sides of a triangle to the number of sides of a rectangle. Listen carefully. Ratio of the number of sides of the triangle. So the triangle oda sides வந்து எத்தனை இருக்கும்? Yes, 3 sides. அதுலயே பேர்லயே இருக்கு இல்லையா try. Try mean 3. So 3 sides are there in triangle and then rectangle. Yes, 4 sides are there. So 3:4 is the correct answer. Clear? So B option 3:4 is the right answer. 11. If Alagan is 50 years old and his son is 10 years old, then the simplest ratio between the age of Alagan to his son is, so இப்போ 50 years ஐயும் 10 years ஐயும் நம்ம compare பண்ண போறோம். So 50:10. Sure, we can cancel with 110. So 5:1 is the correct answer. Right? Okay. So which option? C option. Hope you understand. In this video, I try to make you understand, I think. If you have any doubt, ping me or ring me. மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு.
Like a Hellcat.